morning class 10. Today we will discuss the characteristics of periods. What happens or which type of changes we can observe when we move from left to right in a period. So let's start. Students, we know that horizontal rows are called periods and there are 7 periods in modern periodic table. So we will first discuss the characteristic, that is valence electrons. We know that valence electrons means electrons present in the last cell. They are called valence electron. If we are taking the elements of third period, they are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon, and their atomic numbers are 11, 12, 13 until 18. If we are writing the electronic configuration of sodium, that is 281, 282 and argon is 288. Here we can see that the valence electron of sodium is 1, magnesium is 2, aluminium is 3 and argon is 8. It means if we move from left to right in the third period, the valence electrons increases from 1 to 8. Valence electron of sodium is 1 and argon is 8. It means valence electron increases along a period when we move from left to right. Characteristic, that is valency. Valency means combining capacity of an element. Valency is related with the valence electrons. When we are moving from left to right in a period, valency of elements, how varies from each other, we will discuss now. You can see here, these are the elements of third period, sodium, magnesium, aluminium until argon. In this period, valency of sodium is 1 because its valence electron is 1, magnesium valency is 2 and silicon valency is 4, but the valency of phosphorus is 3 because we know that valency is related with the valence electron and valence electron of phosphorus is 285, so it is 5. If the valence electron is 1, 2, 3 and 4, then their valency is also 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that valency of sodium till silicon is 1, 2, 3 and 4. But when the valence electron is 5, 6, 7 and 8, then we can find out the valency by subtracting it from 8. So that here valence electron of phosphorus is 5. When we subtract it 8 minus 5, we get the valency 3. Similarly, valency of sulfur is 2 because its valence electron is 6. So 8 minus 6 we get 2. And valency of argon is 0 because 8 minus 8 is 0. It means when we move from left to right in a period, valency of elements first increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases to 0. Now the third characteristic, that is size of atoms. If we are talking about the size of atom is related with its atomic radius. When we move left to right in a period, atomic size of an atom decreases. It means its atomic radius decreases, so that the size of atom or atomic size decreases when we move from left to right in a period. You can see here, sodium atomic radii is 186 picometer. Picometer means this is the unit for measurement of radius of an atom. 1 picometer is equals to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Atomic radii of sodium is 186 picometer while magnesium is 160, and if we are talking about the chlorine, then its atomic radii is 99 picometer. It means we can say that atomic radii decreases when we move from left to right in a period. Atomic radii decreases so that the atomic size of atom also decreases along a period. Here I am showing that the size of sodium is this one, size of magnesium atom is less than that of the size of sodium, and size of chlorine is less than that of the these elements present before that. It means atomic size decreases when we move from left to right in a period. Students, atomic size decreases. This is because When we move from left to right in a period, the period is same, so that the number of cell present in a period, they are fixed or they are constant. In third period it contain 3 cell, in second period contain only 2 cell. All these elements, they are present in the third cell, so that they contain 3 cell. Their electrons are present in 3 cell. When we move from left to right in a period, atomic number also increases, and since atomic number increases, the number of positive charge, means number of protons in the nucleus, also increases. Positive charge pull the electrons present in the outermost cell strongly, so that atomic size decreases when we move from left to right in a period. The next characteristic, that is metallic character. We know that metallic character is related with the loss of electron. Those elements having tendency to lose electron easily or more, they are metal, or their metallic character will more. When we move from left to right in a period, metallic character decreases while non-metallic character increases. The modern periodic table, left side of modern periodic table, mostly metals are present. In between, metals are also, while in the right side of modern periodic table, mostly non-metals are present. In case of sodium, electronic configuration of sodium is 281. It has only one electron in their valence shell. So sodium can lose its one electron easily. But in case of magnesium, it needs more energy, or it is difficult to lose 2 electrons. In case of aluminium, it is more difficult to lose 3 electrons. It means when we move from left to right in a period, the number of valence electron increases, so that the tendency to lose electron decreases. As the tendency to lose electron decreases, metallic character decreases, while the tendency to accept electron increases when we move from left to right. These elements, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, these can easily accept the electron, and we know that this tendency is known as non-metallic character. It means when we move from left to right in a period, due to decrease the tendency to lose electron, metallic character decreases, while due to accepting electron tendency increases, non-metallic character increases. Students, when we are talking about the chemical reactivity, along a period when we move from left to right in a period, then the chemical reactivity decreases from sodium to silicon, and then increases from phosphorus to chlorine. This is because number of valence electron is 1. In case of sodium, it can loses electron easily, so it is more reactive. As we move from sodium to aluminium, or from sodium to silicon, number of valence electron increases, so that it is difficult to lose, and hence chemical reactivity decreases. But in case of phosphorus, again reactivity increases, because electron accepting power increases, so that it accepts the electron and can complete their octet. So chemical reactivity further increases from phosphorus to chlorine. In case of last argon or inert gases, they are unreactive because they contain 8 electrons, or they complete their